Hello, good morning. My name is Montesa Gonzalez Alonso, and I believe I am the perfect fit for the bookkeeper and operation assistance position at Dream Trips Ireland. With my 17 years of experience in bookkeeping, accounting, and administrative rules, I bring a wealth of knowledge. I have a strong analytical skills and I'm proficient in accounting software and Excel. Being detail-oriented, organized, and passionate about delivering quality work. I am also capable of working independently. I am confident that my experience and dedication will make a positive impact on your team. Thank you for considering my application, and I am excited about the possibility of contributing to your team.